In this video, we are going to show you how to create a fade in effect in CapCut Mobile. Now, I'm going to start a new video and choose one clip so you can see how to do it step by step. Now, once you are in your timeline, you want to tap on the video that you want to highlight it like so. And then here, you want to go to animations. And then as you can see here, it is by default on in. You have in, out, right? This is fade out or cut out and then combo, right? We want to stay in and then just tap on the fade in effect over here. It's on our right hand side for my mobile. It might be on another spot a bit lower, but for me, it is here, fade in. If you tap that, you're going to see, there you go. That is going to be the preview. Now, if you want to adjust the speed of the fade, you want to go look at this meter or this bar on the bottom of your screen. By default, it is 1.2, right? If you scroll it to the right, like this, it's going to be slower. There we go. And if you go to the left, like so, it's going to be faster, right? It depends on how fast you want it, depending on what type of video you're creating, right? So I'm going to say 4.3. There we go. Pretty cool. So that is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.